Exercise 1. Complete the dialogue using the words in the box. Am, happy, name, what? Hi, my name is Peter. Are you in my English class?
Yes, I am.
What is your name?
My name is Molly.
I am happy to meet you, Molly.
I'm happy to meet you too.
When does English class start?
English class starts in 5 minutes.
Pause the video and answer the questions. Exercise 2. Complete the dialogue using the words in the box. Name, from, me, am, meet. Excuse me, can you tell me what this word means?
Yes, this word means hello in Spanish.
Thank you. My name is Tim. What is your name?
I am Victoria. Where are you from?
I am from India. Is this your first year in university?
No, this is my second year in university.
I have to go to class now. It was nice to meet you.
Thank you. It was nice to meet you too.
Pause the video and answer the questions.